So you want to make a banner for your website? Fine, we can do that. As you see, we are in the office area and it's the standard version, as we see here when we scroll down. We doesn't have put the wide, and we see like both of it is in gold. So it's the same theme on both the office area and the website area. So let's see how the website looks like at the moment. It looks like that. So okay, I didn't like this background. Then we can just click on it and then we will see here 1300 pixel and 150 pixel. This is the 150 and this is the long one. Okay, can you remember that one? Then we will go back to the office area, because here we can use this tool on my website. You see graphic tool. You can just use that one if you like. And then we take file and new, and here is the width, and we put the long one here, and here we take 150 and it's pixels. And here the background we can take transparent if you like that one, and then you just create it, and there you have it. And what do we and here is the background. So we want to make a new layer first, so we click that new layer, so it's this layer there, and then we can go to Pixabay, for example, or you have maybe a own picture you want to use. Then I can copy this picture, and then I just go back here and then I Control V to paste this. Now this one is already showing here, but if it doesn't show, if it's like this, just click this one and you will see it when you have this one to market. So then you can just make it so it's fit, and then you put it like how you want to have it. I don't know how I want it. Maybe like this. I don't know. Like this maybe. Okay, it's maybe want something more than just a picture. You can choose other pictures, and if you like, for example, make this one or this one, and then you click delete, then it will be a hole in this one. And if you have the wide layout, then the background on your website will show in this hole. But now it doesn't want this one, so just click anywhere. Instead, we can make a text. Just write anywhere. Okay, it was very small text, so you can just try to mark it there, Succezz to market. And here you can make it bigger. You can also change font, like if you like that and things like that. Okay, now the color maybe doesn't look that great together with us, but if we double click here and we move this one because it's just in front of it, so we cannot see anything. And here we can change a bit on the text. You see the text change. Here it's like, if you see here, it's the background here on it, like you can have that if you like, which we do not want the black. And instead of choosing a color there, we can just move this here somewhere where we think is okay. And now click OK. So then it will change there. And we can just try different things to see what we like. See? And here you can change color, for example, if you want another like another color here. You see, but now I don't want to save that one. So let's remove that one again. So you can just try out and see what's happening when you enter these different things here. Here is, for example, if you want like that, and then you can use like picture for it. And here to have some size. You see, like it's like low or shadow. And then when you think something is okay, then you just save it. And then you can take here. If you save it like this, then all this will be saved like the way it is. So you can open it in this program again to continue to change it. If you want to use it on the website, then you need to export it as PNG or JPG. It also works. And then you just write something. So save it. And then we go to my website. And here, like you saw before, if you want to change something, you choose the file and then you open it. And then either you click here, if you have made another size for it, then you can have this one and then it will make it in that size. As you just remove it and click upload, so it doesn't matter. Now we have take this format, so we don't need to put that one. Now you see it doesn't show directly. It's because like sometimes it takes a little time before it understands that this has changed. So click again, and you see here. You see here this one, like just click here to upload it, but it doesn't use to work. So if you take this one and right click on it and open this picture in a new tab, then you can see it, and then if you refresh it, you see it has changed. It just the website doesn't have understand it yet, so it will change. And here, if you want to change the profile photo, then you click on the photo, and then you see like then it's 240 times 240 pixels. So then you can do like the same in that program that I showed you before, and you just do the same. Then it is that picture will change instead. So what you need to change, you click on it, like banner, you see it's the big one. And if it's that one, then it's that one you click. Then it will be saved. And we can also, when we edit the website, since now I am on the website area, so then you see like the menu is different. So when I click here, then you see this menu have changed. So now I'm back in the office area, but I can see update my website. So here I can also show you if you want to use the banner, yeah, the pro banner, because then it show those words, whatever you write here. So then we click send, so we can show you how it looks like. Then we go back to the website, and you see here, and the background here change. So if it's night, then it will be like dark background with a lot of stars, like like in the sky, in the night. So here you see Marita says here, and if you go back, and if you doesn't like that, the one that change after the like if it's day or night or whatever, then you can Yes, keep it there. And then you put that you want to use your own picture, the one you uploaded before. So then we can click send, and then you check again. And now you see, but now it make no sense to have like it will be double Marita. So we can go back to edit the website, and then we remove that text that is still. The other text is floating around. Okay, we send it again, and we go to the website, and it looks like this. And we can also, if we change this to the, we can go back to Office and see how it looks like in wide format. We click wide, and then we go to website, and here it looks like this. And here you see this is like we could have make it wider, then it would not be like this, or we would make like something that is transparent. It would not be like that here, since it seems like it. But it depends because of you know different computers. They have different size. We can also see here if we remove those, so we doesn't have this one, how it looks like then. And we click send, and we go to my website. Okay, see here, now it has changed, but now it's this size here. So it depends, like if you see here, scroll a bit, and now like it's changed a little bit. Okay, let's see, and if we change back to, so it can be like you need to try what size you want on this picture here to make it best. So it doesn't, it's not a must to have like this 1300 and 150 here. So you can try that what you think is best for you. And we go back to Office. We can, okay, we should try, it was with this one, we should try on the wide. So how it looks like. Here, you see, you can, here the size is okay, but it could be longer, so you see. So it depends how you like it. And when you update, you just write whatever you like here. And now, since we see it in the old format, because we have it in, in the office area, we can change it here so we can see it in a better way. Then we go here, update website, because now we see it like in the wide instead. So then you will see it, and now you can add what you like in there. And this one in the footer, that is for that thing you see in the end of the website. So you know here, down here. And also in the office area, you can choose the colors and like that when you have it on the in the wide format. So good luck and have fun when you're creating.